In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell courses in GoHighLevel. Whether you're an educator, a coach, or just someone looking to share your knowledge, creating and selling courses can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Let's get started by diving into the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to create your course product. Begin by navigating to the Sites tab, then select Memberships, and finally, Products. Once you're there, click on Create Product. You have a few options for the type of product you want to create, such as a course, community, or coaching. If you prefer, you can even set up a hybrid arrangement. Remember to add specifics like the product name, a brief description, a catchy thumbnail, and some instructor information. This will help your course stand out. Organizing your course into categories, modules, chapters, or lessons can provide structure and make it easier for your students to follow along. You'll have a variety of content formats to choose from, such as video, PDFs, audio, text lessons, embedded content, and even downloadable files. For more detailed instructions, you might want to check out the GoHighLevel memberships documentation. Once you've got your course product set up, it's time to upload the actual content. Within your product, you can add categories or modules, create individual lessons, and upload your MP4 videos, PDFs, worksheets, and any audio files you plan on using. Additionally, you have the flexibility to drip lessons over time, lock lessons until others are completed, and track progress to ensure your students are staying engaged. These features can help enhance the learning experience by pacing students appropriately. To start accepting payments, you need to connect Stripe. Head over to Settings, click on Integrations, and select Stripe to connect your account. Stripe allows you to process one-time payments, set up monthly subscriptions, offer various payment plans, and even create trial periods. This step is crucial as GoHighLevel uses Stripe for processing course payments. You can refer to the Stripe Integration Setup Guide for further guidance. After setting up payments, creating an offer is your next mission. Offers are what link the payment to the course access. Simply go to the Payments tab, then Offers, and click on Create Offer. Choose the course product you want to sell and set the pricing you're comfortable with, whether it's a one-time fee, a subscription, or installments. You can also configure trial periods and set up coupons or define how long someone has access once they purchase. Once the offer is ready, it's time to build out a sales funnel to guide your audience through the buying process. In the Sites section, choose funnels and start creating pages like a landing page, sales page, checkout page, and a thank you page. A simple course funnel might start with an opt-in page, then a sales page, followed by the checkout, and finally course access. Depending on your strategy, you could also explore more advanced setups like webinar or application funnels. On your checkout page, you'll need to add the order form element and attach your offer. This is a great place to customize with testimonials, guarantees, frequently asked questions, and any checkout fields you think necessary. You can also include order bumps, upsells, and downsells to maximize revenue. Now let's talk about automating course delivery. You'll use GoHighLevel's workflows for this purpose, found in the Automation tab. Typical automations can include actions after a purchase, like granting course access, sending a welcome email, sending login details, and even notifying your team. Additionally, you may want to set up reminders for abandoned carts or encourage course engagement with lesson reminders and progress nudges. Don't miss out on the workflow documentation for comprehensive guides on setting these up. To market your course, take advantage of GoHighLevel's built-in email and SMS marketing features. These tools can help you automate launch campaigns, send webinar reminders, perform student onboarding, and promote upsell opportunities. For optimal email deliverability, make sure you configure a dedicated sending domain and set up appropriate protocols like SPF and DKIM. Protecting your course is essential, so dive into the membership settings to manage unauthorized access. Require logins, restrict lesson access, and control the drip timing to ensure things flow smoothly. You can even create private communities, tiered memberships, and VIP access levels for additional security or specialized experiences. Finally, tracking sales and student activity is paramount. GoHighLevel offers analytics that can provide insights into your revenue, conversion rates, funnel performance, student progress, and more. Useful dashboards like the Payments Dashboard, Funnel Analytics, Workflow Stats, and Membership Analytics can all be utilized to better understand your success and areas for improvement. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to selling courses on GoHighLevel. By following these steps, you can effectively create, market, and sell your course almost effortlessly. Happy teaching!